Hi guys, sino idu sharper imaging Ikwekwezi. How's it, bro?
What up, man, nigga?
What's up, y'all? You know what time it is? It's about to be that time.
Yeah, grand winner.
No, great. I've got a few questions for you. Just general questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what does USB stand for?
And I use it every day. Universal. Yo, hi. No, it's gone. I can't.
What does AI stand for?
Artificial intelligence, brother.
And you work at the SABC. What does SABC stand
South
for?
African Broadcast Corporation, nigga.
I'm on another level, my boys.
What animal is on a 200 rand notes?
It's a leopard.
Can you name the big 5 animals?
It's elephant, rhino, leopard, I lost my train of thought. Leopard, buffalo, and a lion. I think yes. Yes, sir.
What color is the sun?
Orange.
Awukhonahali shem.
What do you call a group of animals that eat grass only?
Only. Cow.
It's a wow.
There you go.
What is the opposite of the word up?
Down. Down.
Left?
Right.
Sorry?
Sorry. Olayagile. I don't know.
How many bones does an adult human being have?
Estimated guess 245.
245.
Yeah, njame lapho mfo.
And you are old enough as I speak.
Yeah. Which one has more bones on the neck between human beings and giraffes?
Bones on the neck. Mm-hmm. Realistically, I'm gonna go with a giraffe.
Why?
Because the neck is much longer and there's more to work with there. Mm-hmm. I'd like to believe. I don't know.
Which country has the highest population in the world?
Wild guess, I'm gonna say China.
And what do you call a person from China?
Chinese.
From India?
Indian.
Madagascar?
Madagascan.
And what is the most dominant gas in the air that we breathe?
Dominant gas, H2O? No?
Hi!
When you were 10, your little sister was half your age. Now you are 40. How old is she?
Here I come. Here I come.
When I was 10, my little sister was 5. Now I'm 40. Means that she's 20.
Simple, right? And what is 99,000 plus 1?
99,000 plus 1. 99,000. It's 100K. No, is it?
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
6 plus 7, is it 11 or 11?
6 plus 7 is not 11.
Is 11 or 11?
I don't think it's 11. 6 plus 7. 6, 6 is 12, 13.
How many cents are there in 1 rand?
In 1 rand, there is, I would like to say 100. Yes.
Before Johnny, me set. Mushiza foreign zafanya jo anibeg. Mushiza foreign.
What do you call a group of cows?
It's a herd of cows.
Group of lions?
A pride of lions.
Group of birds?
A flock.
Brilliant, man.
We are cruising nicely.
And a group of hyenas?
Okay, this one. Hyenas.
Back to Limpopo.
Which bird can swim but cannot fly?
Which bird can... I'm going to say flamingo. I'm locking it in.
Yeah.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yeah.
In the Bible, who betrayed Jesus Christ?
Judas.
Yes.
When Noah took 2 of each animal into the ark, but how many human beings did he take with him?
That's actually a good one. He took no human beings with him. He built the ark. Yeah, no. 0. It was only him.
Don't lie. You see, don't lie on the public platform.
Who is the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Can I keep among this lady that sings? She lights in complexion, man. She's so pretty. Ikwekwezi. I love that lady. I love her.
Yeah.
I love her. She's the best girl.
Ikwekwezi, yeah. Name 2 of the biggest radio stations in Mpumalanga.
Ikwekwezi FM, Gukanya Bar, and the Kuala Kuala FM. I don't know the tagline.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Exclusive.
Exclusive.
Okay. Can you say these words 3 times? Silk,
Silk.
filk,
Filk.
ilk.
Ilk.
And what do cars drink?
Not milk, water.
Ekuseni nebumnandini sinawe.
Siyaziqhayicha ngesikhethu sethu.
#umkhanyo ngowakho. Kukhanya ba.